Welcome to the Getting to Know Your Vitamins and Minerals webinar. My name is Julia Wilkins from the Health New England Health Management Team. This webinar is designed to help you learn the difference between vitamins and minerals and some examples that you can apply in your diet. So let's get started with a question to test your current knowledge. What is the difference between vitamins and minerals? Well, vitamins and minerals are different because vitamins are organic while minerals are inorganic. And the difference between organic and inorganic is that vitamins can be broken down by heat, air, and acid, while minerals hold on to their chemical structure. So this means that minerals, which are found in soil and water, are easily absorbed in your body through plants, fish, animals, and fluids you may consume. But getting vitamins from food and other sources into your body is a little bit more difficult because cooking, storage, and just exposure to the air can damage these fragile vitamins and lower the health benefits to your body. So now we know the difference between vitamins and minerals, let's look at the benefits of them. Vitamins and minerals help strengthen our bones, they heal wounds, boost your immune system, convert food into energy, and repair cellular damage. There's a fine line between getting enough of these nutrients, which is healthy, and getting too much, which can potentially harm you. Eating a healthy and balanced diet is the best way to get the amount of vitamins and minerals that your body needs. Vitamins and minerals are called essential nutrients because they perform so many roles to keep your body healthy. Hopefully after this presentation you'll understand what vitamins and minerals do in the body and why you want to make sure you're getting enough of them. So let's talk about vitamins. There are two types of vitamins. The first type of vitamin is water-soluble. The two water-soluble vitamins are vitamin B and vitamin C. When we say water-soluble, it means that if your body has too much, it will excrete it from your urine. So if you reach a ceiling of the amount of water-soluble vitamins that your body needs, your body will get rid of them. B and C play a lot of important roles in your body, but one of the most important roles is to help free the energy found in the food that we eat. It absorbs directly into the bloodstream. Some other examples of how these vitamins can help are that they regulate kidneys. Vitamin B's release energy and produce energy in the body. They help build the proteins in cells. And vitamin C has a big role in producing collagen that helps knit our wounds together, provide blood vessel support, and forms the base for our teeth and bones. The second type of vitamin is a fat-soluble vitamin. These include vitamins A, D, E, and K. The difference between a water-soluble vitamin and a fat-soluble vitamin is that your body will hold on to a fat-soluble vitamin and store them in your fat tissues instead of getting rid of them. Your body only absorbs fat-soluble vitamins after digesting food. Fat-soluble vitamins love to latch onto protein and travel through your body, so that whatever part of your body needs them can use them. If your body needs them at a time that you're not consuming them, they tap into your reserves and release them into the bloodstream from the liver. You can kind of think of them as time-release nutrients, where your body releases them when it needs them. Some great benefits of these vitamins are to form bones. Vitamin A keeps our cells healthy, while vitamin E helps to absorb and store the vitamin A. Vitamin E also protects the body and acts as an antioxidant. Let's go through all the vitamins in detail. When it comes to vitamin B, there are 8 different types of vitamin B. The first one, vitamin B1 or thiamine, helps the body process carbs and some protein. You can find vitamin B1 in whole grain, enriched, and fortified products like breads and cereals. Vitamin B2 is also called riboflavin. Riboflavin helps convert food into energy and also helps make red blood cells. You can find riboflavin in milk, bread products, and fortified cereals as well. Vitamin B3 or niacin is found in meat, fish, poultry, enriched and whole grain breads, and fortified cereals. This vitamin helps with digestion and making cholesterol in the body. Vitamin B5 is also known as pantothenic acid. You can find this in chicken, beef, potatoes, oats, cereals, and tomatoes. It's super important because it helps turn the carbs, protein, and fat that we eat into energy. Vitamin B6 is also called pyridoxine. Not only is it found in fortified cereals and soy products, but also chickpeas, potatoes, and organ meats. B6 helps with the metabolism, the immune system, and developing babies' brains. Vitamin B7 is also called biotin. Biotin can be found in liver, fruits, and meats, and it helps your body make fat, protein, and other things that your cells need. Vitamin B9, or folic acid, helps prevent birth defects. You might hear pregnant women need more of this vitamin, and it's important for heart health and cell development. Get your dose of B9 from dark leafy vegetables, whole grains, beans, breakfast cereals, and fortified grains and grain products. Lastly, vitamin B12 is also known as cobalamin. Cobalamin can be found in fish, poultry, meat, dairy products, and fortified cereals. It's important because it helps your body make red blood cells. There are a lot of types of vitamin Bs, but only one vitamin C. Studies show that vitamin C plays a really big role in controlling infections. It's also a great antioxidant that can help neutralize harmful free radicals. Some other benefits are that it helps protect against cell damage, supports the immune system, it can help your body make collagen. There's no question that vitamin C plays a role in controlling infections and can be found in citrus fruits, berries, green and red peppers, tomatoes, broccoli, and spinach. Now let's learn about the fat-soluble vitamins. Vitamin A can be found in sweet potatoes, liver, fish oils, leafy green vegetables, oranges, yellow peppers, fruits, milk, and eggs. Vitamin A helps the immune function, reproduction, and cellular communication within the body, and is very important for our vision. It also helps maintain the health of our heart, lungs, kidneys, and other organs. Vitamin D, a mineral most commonly known that comes from the sun, is needed for our bones, muscles, and immune system, and the communication between the brain and the rest of our body. You can find vitamin D in fish liver oils, fatty fish, fortified milk products, and fortified cereals. Vitamin E is a great vitamin for our skin. It helps protect cells against damage and works as an antioxidant. Vitamin E is found in fortified cereals, sunflower seeds, almonds, peanut butter, vegetable oils, and leafy greens. Our last fat-soluble vitamin is vitamin K. Vitamin K is super important in blood clotting and bone health. The main source of vitamin K is in those dark leafy greens like kale, spinach, turnips, collards, Swiss chard, mustard greens, parsley, romaine, Brussels sprouts, broccoli, and also cauliflower and cabbage. On this slide you will see a wheel that represents the recommendation for each vitamin. This was found on the CDC website. Take a look at the daily amounts that you should be consuming of these vitamins. Something to point out is that certain vitamins like K, A, B, and C have different amounts for men and women. Also, if you look under vitamin B, there's a higher amount recommended for pregnant women. So it's good to see how much you should be getting in your daily diet. Let's move on to minerals. We talked about vitamins, and now we're going to talk about the 7 major minerals. Minerals have many benefits, including helping to maintain the proper balance of water in the body. This is their key task. They also help promote healthy bones, hair, skin, and nails, help potassium absorb quickly into the bloodstream, and help calcium act more like a fat-soluble vitamin where it can absorb and be transported in the body. Speaking of calcium, calcium is the most abundant mineral in the body. It's needed for bone growth and strength, blood clotting, muscle contraction, and helps to prevent osteoporosis. 99% of the calcium that we hold in our body are stored in our bones and teeth. Good sources of calcium are in milk, fortified non-dairy alternatives like soy milk, yogurt, hard cheeses, fortified cereals, and kale. Chloride is an important mineral for the electrolytes in your blood. It helps to keep the amount of fluid inside and outside of your cells in balance, as well as maintaining proper blood volume, blood pressure, and pH, or the acidity of our body fluids. Chloride is in milk, liver, eggs, and peanuts. Make sure you're getting the right amount of magnesium by eating green leafy vegetables, nuts, seeds, and whole grains. Tap, mineral, and bottled waters can also have magnesium as well. Phosphorus will partner with calcium to build strong bones and teeth. 85% of phosphorus is found in bones and teeth. It plays an essential role in how the body stores and uses energy. Next to calcium, phosphorus is the most abundant mineral in the body. It's needed for growth, maintenance, and repair of all tissues and cells. It can also help reduce muscle pain after a workout, so if you're feeling sore, eat some protein-rich foods, dairy products, nuts, or legumes to get some phosphorus. Potassium is most commonly found in bananas, but also in a lot of other fruits and vegetables like leafy greens, tomatoes, cucumbers, zucchini, eggplant, pumpkins, potatoes, carrots, as well as beans, dairy foods, meats, poultry, fish, and nuts. Potassium is what helps your muscles contract and help regulate fluids and mineral balance in and out of the body cells. It also fights sodium, helping you to maintain a normal blood pressure. The last mineral is sodium. Sodium helps maintain the right balance of fluids in your body and transmits nerve pulses as well as controls blood pressure and blood volume. Sodium can also influence the contraction and relaxation of muscles. You can find it in table salt, milk, beets, tap water, baking soda, soy sauce, meats, bacon, sausage, and ham. Now this wheel on your screen shows the daily recommendations for all major minerals. Notice that magnesium and calcium also have those different amounts for males and females. There are 7 major minerals, but there are also trace minerals. These aren't any less important, they just are found less in the body. Some examples are iron, that helps oxygen flow through the body, fluoride, which helps strengthen bones and teeth, zinc aids in wound healing and blood clotting. It's essential for taste and smell and also helps the immune system. Copper helps form several enzymes which assist with iron hemoglobin that carries oxygen in the blood. So now you know the difference between vitamins and minerals and all the examples of where you can get them. It's time for you to take on the challenge. Test your knowledge by taking the quiz below. If you have any questions, please contact us at healthydirections@hne.com. We thank you for taking the time to take part in this webinar and hope you have a great day.